Are you installing rivets the right way? Well, keep watching to find out because we're going to go over the best way to install double cap rivets in your application. Welcome back to our Sailrite workbench. Today, we're going to be talking about the double cap rivet setting toolkit. This is the perfect kit for leather workers, bag makers, and hobbyists. It comes with all the tools you need to set double cap rivets in leather and fabric applications. Double cap rivets are used to secure multiple layers of material together. Rivets provide a no-sew solution for DIY projects with hard-to-reach areas and thick assemblies, while also adding a decorative accent to your projects and accessories. The double cap provides a finished appearance on both sides of your project. This kit sets rivet cap sizes 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch. The anvil and the rivet setter pair with a sturdy and comfortable mallet, hole cutter, and cutting block. To get started, you'll want to select which rivets you'd like to use. Here at Sailrite, we offer a variety of colors and rivet barrel sizes. We offer rivets with a 9/32 inch barrel, a 3/8 inch barrel, and a 5/8 inch barrel. A good rule of thumb when selecting a size is that your rivet post length should be 1/16 inch to 1/8 inch longer than your material thickness. The color you choose is completely up to you. Once you've selected your rivet, it's time to install. First, place the cutting block under your application to protect your work surface. Next, use the hole cutter and mallet to punch a hole in your application. Now place the double cap rivet onto the concave side of the anvil with the post facing up. Place your material over the post and push the post through the hole you punched. Then place the other rivet cap onto the post and hold it in place with the concave end of the rivet setter. Now set the double cap rivet with several blows of the mallet. Hit it firmly but not too hard. If it is hit too hard, the rivet could damage or cut through your material. Lastly, you'll want to check that the rivet is firmly in place. This kit makes rivet installation a breeze. And to make it easy to get yours, we've linked this kit as well as our selection of rivets in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.